Welcome, here I've got Huawei Y7A and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera leveler at this device. So at first we have to tap on a camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. When we pick it, we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's slide a little bit to the general category. At the second place we have horizontal level option, so this is our leveler. By using this button we can turn it on and off as we need. Now let me keep this turned on. Let's go back to the camera preview, and here we can see this line. This is useful when we want to keep our photographic topic straight at the picture. And this is how to use this. Of course, when we don't need it, we can tap to the right corner once again and use this button with horizontal level. So for now, the leveler has gone. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.